all students, class 12, RS Inter College Kanpur. Yesterday also I taught you narration, and after that I am also teaching you the narration portion. But you have to remember that everyday work you have to do with the fair copy. So you have to write down in the fair copy, and you have to complete the work daily, day by day. And for if you have to perform any kind of formalities, if it is incomplete, you have to complete it soon and start to study at once and per day steadily, so that you may cover the course and also may revise well, you may prepare well, so that you may get the good marks in the board examination. So yesterday I taught you exclamatory sentences, but today I am teaching you the optative sentences. In optative sentences, wishes are given, and cursive is also pronounced. So you have to remember it that in optative sentences, wished, prayed, thanked, congratulated, cursed, and bad. These words are used in place of said in reporting verb according to the sense. As for example, the teacher said to me, the teacher said to Ram, may you live long. So he is giving wishes to Ram. So what will be? The teacher wished Ram that he might live long. In other way also we may say that the teacher prayed Ram that he might live long. In this way we may say also. You said boys good night. So you bade the boys good night. Rita said thank you Monu. So he has given thanks. That's why here should be used in place of thank. Here in place of said, thank will be used. Rita thanked Monu. Sheila said congratulations Ram, you have done well. So here Ram is giving the congratulations. Sheila is giving the congratulations to Ram. So here congratulation has been used as noun, but here will be used as a verb. It's the congratulations will be changed into verb, and here will be used in place of said, as Sheila congratulated Ram that he had done well. Next, the saint said to the farmer, may God bless you with a son. So here the blessing is given by the saint to the farmer, or he is praying. So there may be used pray or wish. Either of the two words may be used here, as the saint prayed or the saint wished. It is the same matter. The saint wished that God might bless the farmer with a son. The criminal said, may the judge go to hell. So here will be used curse. Curse is used to express the anger against any person. As the judge has pronounced his judgment for the criminal that he should be handed to the death. So it is, he is thinking that his life is finished now, he will be ended. That's why in anger he is giving to curse he is giving curse to the judge, that he may also be destroyed, his family may be destroyed. So in anger, in great sorrow, he is giving the curse to judge. The criminal is giving. That's why the criminal said, may the judge go to hell. So the criminal cursed that the judge might go to hell. The criminal cursed that the judge might go to hell. So in this way, these are the optative sentences in the topic narration. You have to remember it, that in place of said, that said verb is used in reporting verb. So in the verb of reporting verb, so that verb is replaced by wished, prayed, thanked, congratulated, cursed, bade. So these words are used. You have to remember it, and rest is the same rules and regulations of direct and indirect. So you should learn it, and I am sending you the few sentences through WhatsApp. You have to note them also. And this also I am sending you, these sentences written on the board are also being sent through WhatsApp. You may expand it and write down if you are feeling any kind of difficulty, that the words are small, words are little, so you can expand it. And after that you may write it, because I am sending, instead of, in spite of video, I am also sending you the photos through the WhatsApp. Through the WhatsApp, I will send also the some solved examples, and you have to write down them in the fair copy. I hope that you will perform it. So you have to do every work every day. You have to perform it. You have to write. You have to learn, and you should be updated daily. Thank you. I hope so.